and we're going to do two-step equations. All right, we're going to take a look at our first equation. The first question that we're going to ask is the variable on the left? It is. Is it first? It is. Is it alone? It's not. So we're going to zero pair the 4. So now we have 2x is equal to 10. Is the variable alone? It's not. We're going to do opposite operation. 2x is multiplication, so the opposite of multiplication is division. And we're going to divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to 5. Now we're going to do the check. So we're going to use our exact equation that we started with. So we're going to put our 2 in, and then we're going to put 5 in for the x, put our plus in, put the 4 in, and put our equal sign, and then 14. Now, anytime that you're doing a check, you're going to use PEMDAS to check, and you're going to use your questions to solve. So we're going to do 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. 14 is equal to 14. And since that is true, then we know that we have our correct answer. All right. Is the variable on the left? It is. Is it first? It's not. So we're going to do keep, change, change. And then we're going to use commutative property of addition. So negative 6a plus 5 is equal to 41. Is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Is the variable first? Yes, it is. Is it alone? No, it's not. So we're going to zero pair the 5. And we're going to get negative 6a is equal to 36. Is it alone? It's not. What math operation is it? It's multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplying by negative 6? It is dividing by negative 6. So a is going to equal negative 6. All right, remember we used our algebra questions to solve, and now we're going to use PEMDAS to check. So we're going to do 5 minus 6 times negative 6 is equal to 41. You'll notice that we went back to the original equation. We're going to do keep, change, change. And now we're going to do 5 plus negative 6 times negative 6 is going to give us 36 is equal to 41. And 5 plus 36 is 41 is equal to 41, so we know that we are correct. All right, is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Is it first? Yes, it is. Is it alone? No, it's not. So we're going to do keep, change, change, and we're going to now zero pair. So we're going to add 7 and add 7. Now, let me go back and just show you real quick. On your paper, yours is going to look like x divided by 3 minus 7 is equal to 2. So we did keep, change, change, and then we're going to add our positive 7 and positive 7 on both sides. That's going to zero pair out, so that's going to be x divided by 3 is equal to 9. Is a variable alone? It's not. What math operation is it? It's division. What's the opposite of dividing by 3? It's multiplying by 3 over 1. Multiplying by 3 over 1. These cancel out, so we're going to get x is equal to 27. Notice that I'm keeping my equal signs lined up. We want to do that when we solve and when we check. Now we're going to come over and check, and we're going to use PEMDAS. So we're going to take our 27, where the x was, divided by 3 minus 7 equals 2. So PEMDAS says we need to do our division first. So 27 divided by 3 is 9 minus 7 equals 2. keep, change, change. So now we're going to have 2 is equal to 2. All right, the next one, I'm going to rewrite so it's a little bit larger again. K plus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 6. And you're going to use your algebra questions. So is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Now this is a fraction, so we're going to need to do the opposite operation first. So what's the opposite of dividing by 4? It's multiplying by 4 over 1, multiplying by 4 over 1. This cancels out, and it's going to give us k plus 3 is equal to 24. Is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Is it first? Yes, it is. Is it alone? No, it's not. So we're going to zero pair the 3, and we're going to get k is equal to 21. Again, you're looking to see that my equal signs are lined up. Now I'm going to go ahead and check it. So I'm going to come back up here, and where k is, I'm going to put 21 plus 3 divided by 4 is equal to 6. And then I'm going to do the 21 plus 3 first. So that's 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. And 24 divided by 4 is 6 equals 6. All right. So now we're going to use our algebra questions. Is the variable on the left? It's not. So we're going to do symmetrical, which is going to give us 3x minus 4 is equal to 20. Is the variable on the left? Yes, it is. Is it first? Yes, it is. Is it alone? It's not. So we're going to keep, change, change. So that's going to give us plus negative 4. And now we're going to zero pair the 4 out. And we're going to get 3x is equal to 24. What math operation is it? It's multiplication. What's the opposite of multiplying by 3? Dividing by 3. So that's going to give us x is equal to 8. And now we're going to go over here and check it using PEMDAS. So we're going to do 20 equals 3. Instead of the x, we put in our 8 minus 4. 20 equals 24 minus 4. 20 equals 20. That's true, so we know we have the correct answer. And now you know how to solve two-step equations.